Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing a zero budget kitchen wall decor idea, so let's get started. So first, here I have taken a cardboard piece cut into a shape of a chopping board, and then I have taken a napkin and I'll tear it into small pieces. Now using glue and water mixture, I'll cover the entire cardboard using napkin. Once the cardboard is covered, use any pointed object to make a hole in the cardboard. Now I am painting the cardboard using mustard acrylic color. Next I am using a sponge and black acrylic color to paint the edges of the cardboard. Then I have taken a spoon and a fork and I am painting them using black acrylic color. After painting them, I'll stick them using hot glue. Then using hot glue, I'll wrap the jute rope around the fork and the spoon. And now I'll stick them using hot glue over the cardboard. Then I'll wrap a jute rope around the handle as well. Next, I am drawing a random pattern over here. You can also leave this step if you want. For the next DIY, I have taken 3 miniature cutouts of a chopping board from a cardboard and I'm going to paint them using blue acrylic color. Next, I'm going to write "Eat" over it. You can write anything of your choice. Next, I am drawing small cute little flowers over the entire cardboard. You can also make polka dot pattern or any pattern of your choice. Now I'll tie a jute rope around the cardboard. For the third DIY, I have taken a cardboard cutout into a rolling pin shape and now I am painting it using pink acrylic color. Now using white acrylic color, I am writing "Blessed" over the cardboard. Next, I'll wrap jute rope around the edges of the cardboard. For our fourth and last DIY of today's video, I have taken a cardboard piece and cut it into a shape of a spatula, and now I am painting it using red acrylic color. To make it look more attractive, I am using blue and yellow color as well, and then I'll draw a random pattern over them. And with all these DIYs, our beautiful kitchen wall decor is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.